How to manage turn off my video on Zoom mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage turn off my video on Zoom mobile. First go to Zoom and now click this 3 points here, more, click on it, and now click this one, meetings, click on it, and then click this one, turn off my video. If you want to turn it on and if you want to turn it off, just click on it, and as you see, turn off my video has been turned off. If you want to turn it on again, just click, and that's how many turn off my video on Zoom mobile. And that's it for today's video, and don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.